Okay guys, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to show you the basic layout of VSDC Video Editor, the free edition. So before you want to start doing any editing in videos or anything, so you have some icons over here. So if you want to do a blank project, that is mainly if you want to do video editing from a sketch, you will start with a blank project, and if you want to do any slideshows, then you will click on this icon. Similarly, import content, video capture and screen capture. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get started with a blank project. So first of all, just click on it over here, and then you have a sort of project settings form. So for that, the first thing you need to enter is the name of the project. Now this is important so that you can save this project, so that if your editing gets spanned over a few days, so you can always save the project files and everything will be saved on your hard drive, and also you can back up this project. So first thing is the project title. So I'm going to give it some name, say for example editing. Now then comes the option for entering data for author, copyright, publisher, description, etc. Those are not important, you can just leave them blank or you can type anything in them. Then comes the date. Then this area is a bit important. You choose the resolution of the output of the video. So you can choose anything from 4K to Full HD to HD to just standard definition, but for this video I'm going to stay on Full HD. Then comes the frame rate. You can choose anything from 4 frames per second to 60 frames per second. For example, if you want to do a cinematic edit, you will choose 23.976 frames per second, or in general you may just choose 30 frames per second. Now then comes this column for width and height. Now this gets auto populated depending upon the resolution. You do not need to do any changes to it. Then comes frequency, and the frequency is related to the quality of your audio. So you may just choose the frequency in which you have recorded your audio or anything. So basically 44.1 kilohertz works fine. Then comes stereo. Stereo means either you have a mono track audio or a stereo track audio. Then comes background color. You have a choice of a lot of background colors, but personally I feel black color is the best for it. And then you have the opacity, which I leave it at 100, and then just click on finish, and then you are greeted with this screen. Now this black area over here is your video area. I mean whatever video clips or audio clips you import into this software, I mean the timeline, that gets displayed over here. You can do cuts and edits and splits over here, and those will be displayed over here. And after doing any editing, if you want to do a preview, so just click over there. You get a preview window opened over here, and which displays gives a sort of preview to the final output which you are going to get. Next, this is the timeline. Here you add all your audio tracks, video tracks, or if you want to add some images or anything, you add over here. Images, text, animation, anything you add over here, it gets added over to this timeline over here. And now we have a few icons over here. So the icon at the bottom, this is the video, means you click on it and add video from there. I will show this how to add the videos and in a future video. Then comes how to add audio, adding audio's track to your timeline. Then comes adding an image to your track, to your timeline. Then you can add text and do various animations and other effects. Now all those media content, or whatever you can say they are video files or audio files or text, which you add to this timeline, their properties get shown over here, right on this right side. At the moment it is only showing you the project settings, the properties for project settings. So as you can see, the title is VSDC editing. That's the name of the project we gave it, and the date of creation is 19th October 2017. The screen size, width size and everything, color and everything. So this is the basic video for getting to know about the layout of the VSDC editing software. I will be doing another videos in future for detail on every aspect, say for example how to add the video files and audio files. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.